Hi fellow investors, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss and analyze about the company Indian Oil Corporation Ltd. I see a very strong potential growth and the potential breakout which is going to be happening in this company. Currently, this stock is exactly trading at 95 rupees and has a huge potential to grow until 200 rupees within a very short span of time, which is going to be less than a year. This video is divided into 3 chapters. One is the fundamental analysis, technical analysis and chart patterns. In chart patterns, I will take you into my screen. I will show you exactly what kind of pattern which is forming right now, how strong is that pattern, where exactly the bullish volume which is forming right now, and where exactly that we need to keep the stop loss, and what are the target levels, and how much are the profits which we are going to gain in return within a very short span of time, and how about the volume and what kind of volume which is forming right now, either the volume is a bullish side or a bearish side. When it comes to the fundamental analysis, this company has a market capital of more than 1,35,000 crore, and this company has a very good book value as well as a face value. This company is continuously paying a dividend of more than 5% from the past 10 years. This company is giving a very good quarterly results as well as an annual results, and this year this company has generated a revenue of more than 40,000 crore, which is an all-time high for this company from the past 10 years. This company has a very good shareholding pattern which includes both the foreign institutional investors, domestic institutional investors, and the government itself is heavily invested into this company. When it comes into the domestic institutional investors, this company has a huge hand of LIC, SBI, HDFC, Axis Bank and many other strong mutual funds which are heavily invested into this company. When it comes to the technical analysis, this company's stock was continuously in a downtrend from July 2023 until last week. This company's downtrend was broke with a heavy volume which is more than 83 million volume in one day. This volume has never been happening to this company. Once after, this stock has given a tremendous breakout by breaking the strong downtrend line with a heavy volume. Currently, this stock is exactly consolidating in a very strong buying pressure and the buying point, which where I see the more number of buyers are slowly accumulating into this company, and I'm sure that this stock is going to give a huge breakout towards into the new higher zones, which is going to be more than 200 rupees in near future. So I want you to please keep this stock under your watch list and make sure you enter exactly at the very right and the best bargaining price to gain more in profits from this company. Let me take you to my screen and show you the in-depth detailed technical analysis with the help of chart patterns. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please consider subscribing my channel so that you will get a notification whenever I posted the videos on the good breakout stocks as well as the potential growth stocks. If you miss the best entry point, I'm sure that you are not going to gain more in returns from this company. The best entry and the best exit is really very important for us to gain more in profits from the stock market. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind. Hi fellow investors, welcome back to the channel. Let's deep dive the technical analysis of Indian Oil Corporation Ltd. The chart which you are seeing on my screen is a daily chart for Indian Oil Corporation Ltd. If you see the chart on my screen, I have clearly mentioned the trend lines as well as the support and the resistance line. You could be able to see it clearly that this stock was continuously in a downtrend from almost like July 2023 until last week. This downtrend was broke with a heavy green candle and with a heavy volume over here, which is exactly more than 80 million volume in one day. This volume has never been happened into this company, and this is an all-time high volume for this company. Once after, this stock has given a tremendous breakout by breaking this strong downtrend parallel line. If you see this chart over here, whatever the line which you are seeing over here is a downtrend parallel line. This downtrend parallel line, which where we see a very strong selling pressure, that is why we see a lower lows which is forming continuously over here from this point. Once after, this stock has given a tremendous breakout with a heavy volume by breaking this downtrend negative parallel line with a heavy volume with a heavy green candle. Currently, this stock is exactly consolidating again, going back to this point, which is where this is the best entry into this company, which is going to be 93.30 rupees. So the best entry into this company is going to be in between 93 rupees to 93.50 rupees, and the target 1 is going to be 113 rupees, and the target 2 is going to be 150 rupees, and the target 3 is going to be 200 rupees within a very short span of time. If you see the chart over here, this stock was continuously in a parallel channel, which is where you see both the buyers and the sellers are trying to make an upper hand on this stock. Once after a heavy consolidation is done, this stock has given a tremendous breakout by breaking this strong parallel channel, and this stock has moved from sideways to a bull trend. Once after a heavy bull trend is done, this stock again moved from a bull trend to the bear trend, which is where, because the Nifty and the Bank Nifty was consolidating and moving towards to the downtrend. So the reason this stock was consolidating to the downtrend as well. Once after a heavy downtrend is done, this stock has given a tremendous breakout by breaking this very strong, downtrend parallel channel, which is where I'm sure that this stock is going to consolidate little bit over here until this point, and then will break from here. I'm sure that this stock has a huge potential to grow in future as per my in-depth technical as well as the fundamental analysis. If you see the fundamentals of this company's market capital was very high, and this company has generating a very good strong profits, which is more than 40,000 crore in one fiscal year. This is an all-time high for this company. This company has never generated a profit which is more than 25,000, and this is the time which where this company has generated a profit which is more than 40,180 crore, which is an all-time high for this company. And this company's profit growth was tremendously increased from 31% to 203%, and this company's CAGR was also increased from 22% to 38%. So when it comes to the fundamental analysis, this company is in a very strong zone, which is where this company's profits as well as the profit growth, CAGR, sales growth was tremendously increasing. And when it comes to the technical, this company is in a very strong technical buying pressure, which is where I see that the more number of buyers are slowly accumulating into this company, and I'm sure that this stock is going to consolidate little bit more over until this point, and then will bounce back towards into the new higher zones. So I want all our fellow investors to keep this stock under your watch list and make sure you enter exactly at the very right and the best bargaining price to gain more in profit from this company. As I always said, even though how strong is the company, when it comes to the fundamental, we need to make sure that there is a strong technical pattern and the buying pressure. Buying is very important. Even though the company is generating a good quarterly results, good profits, compound sales growth was tremendously increasing, there was no buyers which are interested to buy this stock. So there is no growth which is going to be happen in this company. But in this company, both the buyers as well as the compound sales as well as the fundamental and the technical are very strong. So I'm sure that this stock is going to consolidate little bit over here until this point, and then will bounce back towards into the new higher zones, which is going to be 113 rupees as the target 1 and 200 rupees as the target 2. If you want to keep this strict stop loss, I would recommend you to keep the stop loss just below this candle, which is going to be 90 rupees. So the best and the strong stop loss is going to be 90 rupees to avoid any fake outs. But I would recommend all our fellow investors to keep this stock as much as possible in your portfolio to gain more in profits from this company. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Please consider subscribing my channel if you like the content and the breakout stocks which are providing in this channel. Jai Hind.